Hello guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I'm going to share a trade which I took few days back, and the name of the stock is Inox India, and this is a IPO base. And I took this stock in the month of February, and I got stop hit in the same month, and again I traded in the March month. I will explain whole analysis of what I did, how I entered, what is my risk parameter, and everything here. You can see on this month of February 5th, I traded this stock. I entered on this stock, and on Feb 13th, my stop got hit, and I closed the whole position. And again, I kept on watching this stock, and it again gave a good move, and again came down to the 20-day moving average line. And you can see there is some kind of tightness that is happening, and I was keep on watching the stocks, and I so again same kind of entry is expected here, so I kept a watch on the stock above this range, and it broke this range. I entered with a stop. It broke this range, and again on that day it went about 5%, and then for next 4 days it consolidated. You can see all my entries here. I entered at 1162 and 1172 is my entry. You can check out in my Twitter handle. And on this day, I know the character of the stock is that it will bounce on 20-day moving average line. Most of the time, it will bounce on 20-day moving average and 10-day moving average line. I learned this lesson in the previous entry of this trade. So I I'm very aware that the stock will bounce on this average line and then it will go up. So I trying to add here on 3rd April, and it again the same what it did before is repeated here. So I added on to this position at 101203 on that day. You can see this is the position I added, and again on next 3 days it went up and broke the all-time high, and it again went up, and again it bounced to 20-day moving average line, and I added on this to this position on 19th April, and you can see this is the position I added at 19th April. Add on to this position, and it started to moving up, and again it is consolidating a bit, and 2 days back it gave a breakout, and that breakout didn't sustain. The breakout is with good volumes, but the breakout didn't sustain. It scattered. Let's see what it happens. I have multiple positions in this stock. This is how you have to pyramid your positions without risking much. I risked only what I risked in this SL in the first position. This is a free position. Okay, after the stock went up, my position is risk free. Here also risk free. If I lose, I will lose from my profits, not from the uh, total capital risk. So you have to know how to pyramid and where to pyramid. You have to analyze the character of the stock before. Then you can pyramid good, and don't pyramid in overextended areas. After 20%, 30% move, don't pyramid your positions. See how I done. All the journal of this trade is posted in my Twitter handle. You can check out there. And if you want to learn more about entry tactics, exit risk parameters, and everything, you can check out my website traintotrade.com, and you will see all the courses that are we are providing, and you can check out our social media handles where we have a community and we explain trades and we discuss trades and everything. You can check out, and all the links for this social media handles and the website are in the description of this video, guys. Kindly check out.
For the Twitter account is in the description of this video, guys. If you're very serious about trading, you can join that. That's it, guys. Be positive, focus on your goals, believe in it, and keep learning. Thank you, guys. Meet you soon in another video. Thank you.